Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in the very last Pootles Advent Countdown project for 2022. And I'm finishing with a Christmas cracker. I'm going to show you how to make a cracker, just it doesn't matter what size paper you have, the same method applies, there's no official scoring. But yeah, we're on the 23rd of December. I'm shutting down work now to have some time off with the children, although of course there will still be video projects and I will still be chatting over on social media. I just won't necessarily be in my craft room. I might be. I don't know. I don't have plans. I tend to just take a little bit of time off with the children and we just spend time with one another. It's the only time we're all guaranteed, all six of us guaranteed to be off together. So anyway, this Christmas cracker. So I did start folding it before and then I had a little coughing fit. So it doesn't matter what size paper you start with. You have one bit that you fold over. So this is going to be where I put my glue. So you get that and then you kind of disregard it for the rest of the fold process. So fold it in half, and like I say, that's including this bit here. Fold it in half and fold it in half again. Okay. And you've got this sort of funny concertina pattern like this. It's a bit strange. So fold it all up like that. And then just decide where you want to put. We're going to cut these bits. And so I'm reckoning, I don't even know what that is. Is that about 2 inches? It's a bit. You fold a bit over. And then you fold the same amount over again up at the other end. There's no science to it. Then you need a really strong pair of scissors. Thank goodness I've got a really strong pair of scissors. And you cut from a little way up, because that will form this point, a little way up and not to the centre, okay? So I didn't go all the way to the end and I haven't gone to the centre, so I'm going to switch over and do it again on the other side. And that's going to fold out, and you just do the same down here. And you do need some strong scissors. This does work particularly well with wrapping paper, but I love it with the designer paper. And then when you fold out, you've got your little bits there and your bits here. Okay, so I'm going to get some glue going on here, and I'm going to use my Tombow. Oops, that's squashed out a bit too much. And I'm just folding over to seal. And apparently I've got wibblage going on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I'm sticking it all to myself. Oh, don't want to stick it to myself. There we go. That's better. So stick that down, and I'm going to pop that off to one side and de-stickify myself. And look, I'm still blue from Wednesday's video because we filmed Wednesdays and today's together. Right, I didn't use my Memories and More cards all that much, which is really naughty, and I'm a rubbish demonstrator for failing to do that. So I thought I would stick some. If you were to make these as a bunch of crackers for your Christmas table, they would be quite good fun for that. So I don't want it too big. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Well, oh, look. Oh, no. That one. Got a bit excited there for a minute. So, C is for cookies, Christmas and candy canes. Well, there's a candy cane on here, but I'm going to go cookies, cookies, cookies. And with my scissors straight across. Don't always have to get the trimmer out. Sometimes it's okay just to use a pair of scissors. I'm going to go Christmas, and I'm going to stick a candy cane on there. And I'm letting it dry. I don't need that one, don't need that one. We're going to keep the stickers. Love stickers. Ooh, happy holidays. Ho ho holidays, memories. I put oh what fun on this one. This one says ho ho ho. My husband had decided he was going to have that joke today. Because he is that man. We don't have Ray Dunn in the UK. Gasps everybody who's from outside the UK. We don't have Ray Dunn here. Or if we do, it's incredibly rare that we come across Ray Dunn. Just reaching for a ribbon. And yeah, I'm just going to pull this together. You can see what I'm doing while I'm chattering. Yeah, Ray Dunn is not really a thing in the UK. We have a shop called TK Maxx, which is Home Goods or Home Sense or something. So once in a blue moon, you might see a mug, but that's your lot. We do, however, have East of India. So I'm going to see you, Ray Dunn, and raise you East of India, which is gorgeous stuff. However, once in TK Maxx, I saw this tiny packet of cocktail napkins. So the smaller ones, not a full dinner napkin, but the smaller ones that you would have with cocktails. And they were the Ray Dunn ones. And they say, ho, 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 in her handwriting. Pop your goodies and treats in there. We're going to close up the other side. And basically, these Ray Dunn napkins are they're for looking at only. Nobody's to touch them. Okay, about 3 have been used, and they come out at Christmas time, and they sit on an end table. So we've got our kitchen is, we do have a dining room, but we've turned that into the snug, and we have a dining table and sofa and what have you in our kitchen as well. And we've got this lovely little end table that I stick Christmas stuff on. There's candles on there, there's little ornaments, all sorts of things like that. And these Ray Dunn napkins. Chris knocked them off this morning, moving something, and he went, oh, oh, oh. And he thought he was the funniest ever because obviously upside down they say, oh, oh, oh. Not just ho, ho, ho. And he thought he'd come up with that joke. Really? He didn't. I let him have it. Okay. So let's get some dimensionals on here. And finish off our little crackers. And these weren't intentionally the same size, but I really am just, we're down to scraps of paper. And he would be good if I could fussy cut. I might fussy cut him out and stick him on, but I'm not very good. So I'm going to take one of these guys and pop him there. Oh, there, because they're stickers. And that's how you make a Christmas cracker. You can make them wider, you can make them shorter, narrower, however you want. Last year I did them, and I think I did scoring with them, I don't remember. But this, just a slightly simplified version. And I think they're really cute. So, wishing everybody who celebrates a very Merry Christmas. I will see you back here on Boxing Day. At least I think I will. I don't remember. Boxing Day is the 26th for those of us who do Boxing Day. But yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful time. And those of you who are home, perhaps alone, just pop me a message. I'm going to be around. I'll be there for you. Bye.